the storm. Things aren't as they were before. You best start bracing. Did you think you could keep us out?
With freezing temperatures right around the corner, water damages can be catastrophic for your home or business. Make sure to keep your heat on, your faucets dripping, and cabinet doors open. In the event of a catastrophe, keep Steam Team Restoration as your #1 call. Life happens, we clean it up.
Can't stop us now.